Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about CSS transition. This CSS transition means, as you can see, if I come over into this button, as you can see now it's looking like blue with the hover me text, and if I just give a simply put my cursor on this button, as you can see it changes with red with white color, and as you can see it's little bit looking like pops up. So how are you going to make this transition? So what do you have to do? You just simply come over into your Sublime text, into the body section. You can simply type over here button, and into the button we can simply type over here hover me, and into the button tag, open tag, we can simply give a class, and to the class we can simply name it as my button, and we can simply save it. And now if we just open our browser, you can see it looks like this. So for that, what you can do, we can simply come over into our style.css. Into the style.css we can simply give a dot and my button. You can simply type over here and then giving the curly brackets. And into the curly brackets we can simply add background color, and into the background color we can simply give a blue, and then we can simply give a color called white, and then we can simply add a padding and giving the padding as 10 pixel space 20 pixel, and we can simply add the border, and the border will be none. That's it. And now we can simply give the cursor pointer. So for that we can simply give pointer, and then we can simply give the font size. So for the font size we can give the font size as 16 pixel, and then we can simply give the transition. So for that we can simply add the transition attribute and give the background color. And after the background color we can simply give the background color 0.5 is, and give a comma and type over here transform 0.3 is. That's it. Now we can simply give, and after that here we can simply give my button, and into the my button we can simply give a hover, give a space and type hover, or you can give here hover, and after giving hover we can simply give the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets we can give background color to red, and then we can simply give the transform scale. For the transform scale should be 1.1. That's it. So after that we can simply come over into our HTML file. You can save it, and now if you just click on open in browser, and you can see right now the transition has been added. Whenever you put your cursor on the hover me, you can see it's look like it's getting bigger, and it's look like hover me with the red color, blue color, and when I put my cursor on it will looks like this. So this is a very simple way to add transition in your HTML website by using style.css. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.